Hey guys, Anthony here. In this video, I'll discuss something that's on many users' minds, which is the Grok Imagine free tier gone since March 19, 2026? Many users have been saying that the free tier is completely gone, and they've hit a paywall when they try to generate anything like images or videos. But here's the twist. Some users are saying that they can still use the free tier of Grok Imagine. In fact, I still can. In this video, I break down what I think is happening, why the free access disappeared, what options are left for free users, and how X Premium changes everything. So starting around March 19, 2026, free users started reporting that Grok Imagine immediately prompts them to upgrade to Super Grok. Users were frustrated, especially because there was no official announcement. So why did this happen? Let's look at some of the main reasons. So the first one being cost and abuse control. Generating videos and images is expensive, and there are several users abusing it with multiple free accounts. The second one is misuse controversies. Deepfakes, not safe for work, and spicy content backlash in early 2026 led to tighter restrictions. And finally, it boils down to the business model. XAI needs to generate revenue from Super Grok or X Premium plans. Based on my own experience, I believe the free tier of Grok Imagine is now only available to X Premium users. I'm still able to use the free Grok Imagine plan, and that's because I have the X Premium plan, and so I can use the free tier. The X Premium account in Canada costs $8.50 a month, so it looks like now the only option to use the free tier of Grok Imagine is to get X Premium. Are you still able to use the free tier of Grok Imagine? Please feel free to share your experience in the comment section. Thanks for watching and sharing your own experience.